Hello. Okay, so far we have our main section, we have our history section, we have photos, we also have bridesmen and groomsmen. So it's time to add the when, where, and how to our section. So as we have done before, the next step that we're going to follow will be to add another block. So hover over the editor and click on the add block button. We're gonna duplicate this one as we have done before. We're gonna go and drag and drop it. We're gonna double click it and we're gonna edit it. Remember, click on that, go to page background, and check the last block for transparency. Now we need to add a section under this one. We go to apps, go to text, and install a text app over here. Now I'm gonna hover over this resizer line and I'm gonna split the column. Now this will be splitting the column in two. We have to actually split it on three. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna resize it. I want it to be 320 pixels of width. There it is. And I'm gonna split it again. So now we have one section under a block which has three same sized columns. Now this is fairly easy. I'm just gonna go ahead and copy and paste the text really quick. I'm gonna double click on it and I'm gonna paste it. I'm gonna center it. I'm gonna duplicate this app. And I'm gonna drag and drop it over here. I'm gonna replace the text. Double click on it. Select it all. Replace it. Select it all again and center it. I'm gonna click on this also. I'm gonna copy and paste it. Duplicate this app. I'm gonna go ahead and drag and drop it. Now remember to add top and bottom spacing to this one also. Just so we can differentiate one section from another. I'm gonna double click on it, select the whole text, replace it, and then style it a little bit. There we go. We have all the information. So I'm gonna style it also. Remember to unselect all blocks, go to text, go to footer, and change the kind of font that you're using. Okay. Now, the next thing that we need to do will be to add a map. So I'm gonna go to apps, and we have a specific application to add maps actually. You just go to apps and look for maps. You can see it over here. So we add a section under this one. We go to apps, select maps, and drag and drop it. Now the next thing that you need to do these functions with Google Maps. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're gonna eliminate the heading. And we're gonna hover over the app and eliminate all spacing from it, as we have done with images. So the next thing that you need to do, go to Google Maps and select your location. Then click on the embed icon and copy and paste the link over here. Hover over the app and open the orange icon where it says Edit Settings. Go ahead and paste your code and hit save. As you will see, automatically the page will reload and it will show it differently. We can change also the size of this. Just go ahead and click save. This is how it's gonna look like at the end. So the next thing that we need to do will be to add the registry.